Welcome back. So today I'm going to see if you can polish a turd. The paintwork on this car is not mint, it's got quite a few issues, but for a tiny bit of effort I'm going to see how much I can clean up the car before I fit a few new parts to it, so let's give it a go. As you'll have seen, it actually cleaned up a lot better than I thought it would. Got quite a good shine. Obviously there's some areas that are never going to clean up. There's some damage on the back corner, and the driver's door paint's pretty bad. But all in all, I'm very impressed with little effort how well it's actually shined up. So given that, I've mentioned previously I'd ordered some parts from Ford when I could get a discount code, so I'm going to put them on now, so let's get on to that now. this was a bit of an expensive part for what the car's worth, but as you can see, this gear knob's seen better days, and I wasn't sure how long they were going to be available from Ford, so I've ended up buying a new one. Obviously, depending on what the value of the car is, I can always take this off and sell it separately in the future, but nice shiny new gear knob to go on here. Go. Lovely. I think you'll agree though, it's way better than this one. So that's going to be all for now. Going forwards, I don't know if it'll be this or the RS that I'm working on next. I'll have to wait and see. From a point of view of the ST, I need to do the rear suspension. Ideally need some dampers, I need to underseal it, and I need to underseal the floor pan as well. I'm not sure if I'll do that just now or in the future, because doing the front was a lot more hassle than I thought, so taking a little bit of time off from getting full of rust, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, like I say, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.